Okay, I'm back out where I found those footprints. I haven't been for a while. I've been pretty busy, but I've just come across this big old tree stump and 3 sticks jammed into the top of it. That one's just sort of sitting there. That's in there pretty tight. So, yeah, interesting. I'll stick that back. But yeah, it's pretty much about all I've found today. I've been out here for a couple of hours now, and not too much has changed. And I'm heading up through there. I'll head back up through there and have a bit of a look around and see what else I can find. Okay, catches.